Hello guys, welcome to the chapter Tweeting and Retweeting. In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to tweet. Let's get started. Businesses use Twitter to post tweets to their followers or potential target audience. People can post tweets about how good the customer service of your business is. Tweets can easily spread and shared on Twitter. This helps people know that your business is a brand they can trust. This gives them assurance that you are concerned about your customer satisfaction with their service. Some businesses don't give time to communicate with customer concerns. Most of the feedback and reviews for such business is bad. As business owners, you don't want that to happen to your business. It is important that your customers are satisfied with your products and your customer support. As tweets easily spread on Twitter, more people can learn about how good your business is. Let me show you how to tweet on Twitter. Log into your account. In this section, you will see here what's happening. In this section, you can type your thoughts, ideas, concerns about any topic you can think of, and post it as your tweet. You are limited to post a 240-character tweet, so you have to make the most of that 240-character limit. Type in your tweet, and you can even add an emoji using this icon. If you click this plus icon, you will notice that a pop-up window appears with Tweets text box. Click the tweet button. Then you'll see your tweet appear on your Twitter feed. People who are following you will be able to see your tweet right away. When you click this arrow, you'll have the options to delete a tweet, pin a tweet to your profile, or view tweet activity. Click Pin. You'll see a pop-up window asking your confirmation if you want to pin this tweet to your profile. Click Pin. Also, you will be seeing a notification that the tweet has been pinned to your profile. If you pin this tweet to your profile, this will be the first tweet that anyone can see as they browse through your profile. Let's check our profile. When you scroll down, you'll see this first tweet. You may notice Pinned Tweet here, since this is the tweet that we have pinned a while ago. Let's check out other tweets. You can see here that this Twitter user helps small businesses by giving advice on what they can do. They post educational tweets that small businesses can get some useful information from. Next, this Twitter user tweets about news regarding technology. You can see that they link articles to the latest news and updates regarding topics related to technology. That is how easy you can post a tweet. By browsing tweets from your Twitter account, you'll be able to see tweets that people post, and it will give you an idea about what to post. You can even check your competition on what they post, and it will give you ideas on what to promote and how to promote it to your followers and potential customers. Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to put hashtags in tweets. Let's get started. Hashtags on your tweets can help your tweets be discovered by people who search for the same keyword that you have placed on your tweets as hashtags. You can easily differentiate hashtags from texts since they have a hash key in front of a word with no spaces in between. It's a great way to increase the searchability of your posts on Twitter. You can also combine multiple words as phrases and form it into hashtags, but don't include spaces in between them. It's also readable if the first letter of the multiple words you use in your hashtags would be a capital letter. This is much easier to understand since there are no spaces in between the words. Let's take a look at how hashtags are used in tweets. You can see in this Twitter user's tweet that he used the hashtag, which is also the name for his podcast for professional speakers. In his tweet, he uploaded a short video about what people can expect to hear about a topic that they're going to talk about in their podcast. This helps promote his upcoming podcast that his followers will be updated and be able to attend his live podcast. Next, this tweet promotes an event by using these hashtags. Although this is an event that was held last 2019, it's still useful to look at this tweet and get ideas on using hashtags to promote an event. The tweet includes the date when the event will be held and the location of the event. It even mentions a good discount promo here for early bird prices. Also, It's good to have a call to action here if you want people to register and attend the event. People will be eager to purchase since they have learned that using the weblog, they'll get 15% off the original price. When you click on this hashtag, you'll be able to filter tweets that use the same hashtag on their tweets. It will be easier to find relevant tweets that people post and share. You can see here that by searching or clicking on this hashtag, we have discovered this live podcast under the latest results. This is a useful resource for listening to topics that are related to this hashtag. People who are interested in this topic will be able to learn more about it by listening to their podcasts. By promoting their podcasts on Twitter, they'll be able to get more people to listen to their podcasts as they post tweets using their hashtags. Let's take a look at similar tweets with this hashtag IONS2019. This gives us the latest search results of people who posted tweets related to this conference. You can also use this hashtag news to look for recent news that is happening worldwide. You may notice that since this is a vague keyword, you'll get random tweets if you use this hashtag on your tweet. In order to make it more specific, it's good to add another hashtag on your tweet aside from a general and vague keyword. This filters the tweets that are somewhat relevant to the hashtags that you have included in your tweet. If you add another specific hashtag on your tweet, these will be the results of tweets that will be seen by people who would search for these particular hashtags. If you use them, they will be able to see your tweet as they browse through the search results. Adding hashtags on your tweet will help your business promote your products and services. Now that you know about how to put hashtags in tweets, we can now proceed to the next topic, how to upload videos and images. I'll see you there. Hello guys, in this lesson, we're going to talk about how to upload videos and images. Let's get started. Posting tweets on Twitter is not just tweeting plain text about random topics or your thoughts about what you want to tweet about. People are visual and find it easier to get your message across once you have added media on your tweets. You can upload videos and images on your tweets, as it also adds color to your tweets. Posting photos and videos on your social media channels can easily get your message across to your followers. Also, people love watching short videos rather than reading long text. So make an effort to create images or videos for promoting your products or services, as these can catch people's attention more. Compared to photos, videos get more views, engagement, and retweets, as people find it interesting to watch a video that gives value and shows a story that they can relate to. You can post recorded videos on Twitter, or you can also do a live stream on Twitter by using your Twitter mobile app. This way you can broadcast and send your message to your followers in real time. It can also increase engagement, as people can send comments, questions to you, and you can answer them right away. Instead of tweeting plain text, add images to your tweet so that people will check your tweet as they browse through their feed. People are lazy to read plain text. By adding a photo to your text, people will be focused on the image and easily get what your tweet is about at a glance. Let's try to upload a video on our Twitter account. Log into your Twitter account. Click this icon and look for the video that you want to upload to your Twitter account. Choose your video and click this button. You'll see the uploaded video here. Type in your text and hashtag to promote the product you are trying to market on Twitter. You can add emoji to your text. Also, add hashtags that are related to your products. If you place your mouse over the video, you can also view how many people have viewed your video in this section. If you want this tweet as your pinned tweet, this is the first tweet that people will see once they browse through your feed. As you can see, we have replaced the previous pinned tweet with our uploaded video. People like to view videos of the products that they can purchase, so it's a good idea to upload unboxing videos of the products that you offer. This gives a preview of what the customers can expect as they buy from you. Now let's upload a photo on our Twitter account. From your home feed, click this icon and look for the photo that you want to upload on your Twitter account. You will see your uploaded photo here in the section. If you click on this brush icon, you'll be able to edit your media. You can click on these icons to change how people can view your photo. In this section, you can drag the slide bar so that you can zoom in or zoom out on your photo. When you're done, click the Apply button. You can even tag people here if you like. Now let's click the Tweet button to post this photo. Your followers can now see your photo. In addition, you must remember to place hashtags on your media so that people will be able to discover your tweet as they search for the same keyword that you place in your tweet. If you need to add text on your tweet, you don't have the option to edit your tweet once you upload it. What you can do is delete your tweet and create another one. Then click the Tweet button. Now we have added a few hashtags and an emoji on our tweet. This is much better than the previous tweet with this photo that we have sent as our tweet. As people share tweets with photos or videos of the products that they have purchased, they can promote one's business as they share these media on their tweets. They can even mention your business and their followers can find out about your product that they can also try for themselves. Now that you know about how to upload videos and images, we can now proceed to the next topic, animated GIFs and YouTube videos. I'll see you there. Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about animated GIFs and YouTube videos. Let's get started. You may notice tweets on your Twitter feed, including GIFs and YouTube video links embedded under tweets. Short animated GIFs bring still photos to life. You can use GIFs to send a visual message to your followers that doesn't require people to use much of their time to view and understand what your message is all about. GIFs play in a loop, so you can use it to create a cycle of a group of images that will take up seconds to see all of those images. GIFs can be used to showcase your multiple products all at once in just a few seconds. Be creative so that people will be attracted to view and stay at your tweet with your GIF. They can even share it if they like your GIF. GIFs can also be text-based. In this example tweet, you can see this GIF catches one's attention. You'll be eager to read what his tweet is all about. This tweet shares valuable information that email marketers can learn something about GIF animations in email marketing. If someone who is in the same industry checks this tweet, they can decide to learn more when they click on the link here. In your tweet, you can also add a call to action here where people can be directed to your website. Another GIF that is shown in this tweet is created by this Twitter user to answer the commonly asked questions regarding their services as people get interested in their business. This GIF easily shows people their business branding and their services together with the prices of each service. Doing this will lessen the inquiries of people asking about their service. They even made a thread about the different packages of their service in this tweet. As you can see, they are showing people sample portfolios that their business have worked on. This can help their business attract more clients as they are showcasing their works on their tweets as sample portfolios. GIFs can also be used to attract more people to join a game or contest. This GIF attracts people who are interested in gaming. You may notice the link to their website is shown in the GIF. This GIF creates a call to action for people to go to their website where they let people view live gaming. And this is what people will see as they go to their website. GIFs can also be used to create an animated poster for promoting your business sale. You can see here that this poster comes to life as this section looks like a blinking sign that can attract one's attention. The color that they used for the percentage of the discount will also create an urgency in their followers to purchase their products while they are on sale. People who want to purchase can take action since there's a link here where they can go to their website and purchase their products. This is their website as people click on their link. For businesses, you can create animated GIFs that your followers can appreciate and also share with their followers. This allows you to widen your target audience as more and more people share your posts with GIFs. Let's take a look at tweets with YouTube videos. This tweet informs his followers to subscribe to their YouTube channel to get their latest videos, updates, and promotions. People who like to purchase what they are selling will be able to contact them through their email and phone number here. If you click on this link, you'll be able to view their YouTube video while they are still on Twitter. You don't have to go to YouTube for your followers to check out your YouTube videos. They can stay within the Twitter platform to watch the video. Let's take a look at another tweet with a YouTube video. This Twitter user tweets about a house for sale. As you click the link, you'll be able to view the YouTube video in this section. If you're looking to buy a house, watching this video will allow you to take a preview of the house, and it's like an online tour of the house. By embedding this video as a YouTube video on your tweets, you'll increase your chances of attracting potential buyers once they see your tweet. It's easy to upload GIFs on Twitter. From your home feed, you can see this section where you can post a tweet. Click this GIF icon to add a GIF to your tweet. You may notice different GIFs categorized here, and you can also search for GIFs here. Then you can post this as your tweet. If you have a GIF that you have created for your promotions, you can use this icon and upload the GIF that you have made for your promotion. Then click the tweet button to post it as your tweet. You can even pin it to your profile so that people will see this tweet first as they browse through your feed. If you want to embed a YouTube link to your tweet, click on the YouTube video, then click the share button here. You have the option to copy the link or share it on Twitter. Click the Twitter icon, then you'll see this page where you can tweet this link right away. As you check your profile, you can see here that the YouTube video that we have shared is already shown here. If you click on this section, you'll be able to start watching this YouTube video without getting redirected to YouTube and stay on Twitter.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.